Launched by the presidency in 2014, Operation Pakisa's key objective is to unlock South Africa's ocean's economic potential. It is envisaged that 177 billion rand will have been contributed to South Africa's GDP by the year 2033. 1 million jobs, it is projected, will be created by the ocean's economy. Stretching all the way from the east to the west, South Africa's coastal line spans 3,900 kilometers, placing at the country's disposal an exclusive economic zone of 1.5 million square kilometers, an area of vast economic potential. It is recorded that 30,000 vessels pass through South Africa's waters, 13,000 of which actually dock in our ports annually. To harness this economic potential, Operation Pakisa has brought together government departments, the private sector, academic institutions, and the community. Focus areas that cut across all involved stakeholders have been developed: marine transport and manufacturing, offshore oil and gas, aquaculture, marine protection services, and ocean governance, also called MPG, small harbors development, and coastal and marine tourism. With different ocean users playing in the same space, there was a need to devise a unified oceans governance structure, hence the birth of Marine Protection and Governance. The MPG then also developed initiatives in order to manage the ocean space. The very first and necessary initiative has seen the establishment of a ministerial committee and Oceans Economy Secretariat. The Secretariat works to ensure interdepartmental coordination and cooperation between all the Operation Pakisa Oceans Economy focus areas. The enhancement of legislation for the Integrated Coastal and Oceans Management Act, also known simply as the Oceans Act, has seen consultation and consolidation processes taking place, with a view to enacting more comprehensive laws in the area of marine protection services. The work of Initiative 3 is closely related to that of Initiative 2, being the review of existing ocean-related legislation. This is done to bring it in line with the outcomes of the Comprehensive Oceans Act, as envisaged in the enhancement of that legislation. In order to build capacity in the area of marine protection and governance, the South African International Maritime Institute has conducted a skills audit, the purpose of which is to identify where skills are lacking and to focus training towards increasing capacity in those areas. As with all legislation, there is a need to implement enforcement to give practical meaning to ensure compliance with existing laws in marine protection and governance. To this end, a working group was established in 2016, whose work is to enhance and coordinate the enforcement programs of the MPG. The enforcement mandate of this initiative means that its forces are drawn from different law enforcement agencies, working together on joint operations to ensure that the work takes place in an integrated and coordinated manner. In order to make the MPG and other areas of interest to the ocean's economy accessible to a wide range of public and private stakeholders, the National Ocean and Coastal Information Systems, now commonly referred to as OSIMS, was established. Taking up to 6,000 engineering hours to build and with a total project cost of 18 million rand, the ZA-Cube-2 satellite was launched into space in December 2018.
Есть пуск. Зажигание. Предварительное. Промежуточное. Главное. Подъем.
Прошел контакт подъема. Двигатели центрального и боковых блоков ракеты-носителя вышли на режим главной ступени тяги. 10 секунд. Параметры системы управления ракеты-носителя в норме.
The ZA-Cube-2 nanosat accurately pinpoints any vessel's precise GPS location. and can therefore locate unauthorized vessels in the process. The management of water quality was identified as a key priority for marine protection and governance. In pursuing this objective, the establishment of the National Pollution Laboratory has been an important development, ensuring that ocean water and coastal area environments can be monitored scientifically. Identifying and demarcating marine protected areas, MPAs, has been a key component of the governance and protections needed to keep the ocean's economy both sustainable and safe. The identification and creation of marine protected areas is an ongoing exercise. In pursuing the establishment of MPAs, the work of their discovery and monitoring has made necessary a strong research drive. This has seen a number of discovery cruises being conducted along the previously understudied Southwest Indian Ocean, spanning South Africa's vast 3,900-kilometer coastline. The findings and recommendations of such research inform the work of identifying marine protected areas, as well as establishing the marine spatial planning process. The National Framework of Marine Spatial Planning was made law in May 2017. An important development following closely on this is the formulation of Marine Spatial Management Plans, which maps out and speaks to activities and areas that will require extensive and intensive negotiation. Implementation of the national and sub-regional frameworks is ongoing. Operation Pakisa continues to forge forward as a massive national joint venture between the public and private sectors, community and notably academic institutions as well. The operation's focus and momentum are becoming sharper and gathering speed. The mission being to maximize South Africa's ocean's economic potential and make it a reality, moving South Africa forward.